So now my people, abeg make we continue. So if you say 10 modulus 2, you get 0. That means that if you divide 10 by 2, the answer is 5 and nothing is remaining. You have 0 number remaining. So that's the meaning. It's just as saying like 10 modulus 3 now. If you divide 10 by 3, you still get 1 because you move the first 3, the second 3, the third 3. That is 9, remaining 1. So that is the work of modulus. Don't forget that we have treated 2 operators now, arithmetic operators. The first one is exponent, the second one is modulus or remainder. Another name for the modulus is remainder. So now let's move on. The next operator is called integer divisor or flood quotient. This integer divisor or flood quotient, wetin we dey use am for? It's very simple. It's just saying 22 is like saying 50 flood quotient 5. You say 10. That's 50 divided by 5. The answer is 10. If you say 60 flood quotient 10, you say the answer is 6. That is, we divide 60 by 10, you get 6. So flood quotient is more like a dividing 2, but it's in your own result to say I'm go give you a solid number. I'm not go give you 0.1, I'm not go give you 6.2, I'm not go give you 6.3, just give you 1, 10, 6. I mean, I'm go just to give you your own solid answer. Its answer doesn't come in fractions. So now, moving away from flood quotient, the next one is division. So this division, if you say 5 divided by 2, it's 5.2. If you say 10 divided by 2, it gives you 5.0. So this one now,